I hope you've been taking care of yourself. I really do. Because while I was gone, I had to take care of what's mine. A lot of things happened. Not the kind you post about. Not the kind that gets applause. The kind that forces you to sit alone and be honest. I had to let go of people, friends, familiar faces, not because they were bad, but because they no longer served the man I'm becoming. And that's not easy. Growth will isolate you before it elevates you. I stepped away because I needed silence, distance from noise, opinions, distractions. I needed to confront my habits, my discipline, my excuses. There were days I didn't feel strong, days I questioned my direction. But real masculinity isn't pretending. It's taking responsibility when no one's watching. Semen retention stopped being a trend. It became a tool for clarity, for energy, for self-command. I didn't come back for validation. I came back because this path matters. Men are overstimulated, disconnected, losing control of their time, their desire, their direction. I've been there. This is a new era, not louder, sharper, not emotional, disciplined, not perfect, intentional. If you're still here, still choosing growth over comfort, then welcome back. Let's get to work. And as always, keep retaining your life force energy, King.